Now it's time to connect your Gemma to the Teensy board itself. The wires for the Gemma go into these spring terminal connectors, and it's pretty simple to do that. You just grab hold of this little orange tab and you pull it back, which releases a spring in there, and you put the wire in and let go. And if you did it right, you'll notice that that spring is just slightly farther back than the other ones, and you give it a little gentle tug on that, and you see that it's firmly gripped by that terminal block. And next we want to do the red one and the black one. And this will be the same for all four of them. You just kind of go down the line. Your next one will go into the next hole and so forth down there. One thing to watch out for is don't put these wires in too far. We've stripped about 1/4 inch off the end, but if you push it in too far, then it's going to grab the insulation rather than the wire that you've exposed. Another thing you can do if your fingernails don't like to pull those little spring tabs back is you can use one of these jeweler's screwdrivers and just you rest your hand here and hold the board down, and then you can take that screwdriver and pull the terminal back. That works pretty well too, like that.